Seno double-shaved, ultrasonically cleaned premium quality aluminium welding wires. In aluminium, welding strength and durability of joint is influenced by oxides. Seno wires are double-shaved in imported machine and thereafter ultrasonically cleaned to deliver oxide-free wires. Thus, double-shaved, ultrasonically cleaned wire gives very sound welding joint. Seno welding wires are manufactured in compliance with the American Welding Society standard AWS 5.10. For MIG wires, the standard diameter ranges from 0.8 to 2 mm, and they are packed in sizes of 0.5, 2, 5, 7 and 9 kilograms. Also in drum packing, in which standard diameter 1, 1.2 and 1.6 millimeters, and they are packed in sizes of 40 and 80 kilograms. For TIG rods, the standard diameter ranges from 1.6 to 5 millimeters, and they are packed in sizes of 2.5 and 10 kilograms. Seno's other products.